stay hungry, man, I stay famished. I pray that Lord that save me from damage. I'm causing maximum damage.
Hello, beautiful.
What is it?
I saw you from a distance, and I said, I like the way you are beautiful. I like the way you are short. And in short, let's take a shot.
Excuse me, what did you just say?
I say, I like the way you are beautiful. I like the way you are short. In short, if we take a shot, me and
I
you,
don't understand. You want to approach a lady and you're using the word short.
it's because you are short.
I'm not short.
Okay, what are you?
I am petite and cute.
But you are short.
I'm not short.
You are short now. Can't you see you are short?
No, don't call me short. I'm petite and cute.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Oga, you are short now.
I'm not short.
Okay, what is petite?
Me.
In fact, you see that pipe there? Is that pipe short or is petite and cute?
The pipe is short.
Yeah, and so are you. You are short.
No, don't tell me I'm short.
You are short.
I'm petite and cute.
Oga, you are short.
Please excuse me.
See, I like the way you are
Please
beautiful.
go
I
away.
like the way you are
Shush,
short.
you can't tell me that, please. What is it?
But you are
You want
short
to
now.
toast me and calling me short?
Okay, you are not short again. Just come. Let me shoot my shot.
And she sabi,
In short.
I wish you I get well soon.